Good evening. Welcome to the premiere of Disgraced. My wife Kimberly and I would have loved to be with you there at the English Theater tonight. Unfortunately, we are otherwise committed, but we're in Frankfurt frequently and hope to be able to catch a performance of Disgraced sometime in the next couple of months. Ayad Akhtar won the Pulitzer Prize for this play in 2013, and without a doubt, this work speaks to the concerns of many people right now. At the same time, it poses questions that will never cease to be relevant, questions that don't necessarily have any easy answers. It's a play about integration, and integration is a complex issue. It's an American story, and increasingly a German story. But in today's globalized world, it is a story that could take place anywhere in the world. From what I've read, this play also always leads to dialogue and discussion. So enjoy this evening, and I bet you can all look forward to some pretty interesting conversations afterwards. Thank you so much.